my beloved friends. When whenever I go to Kerala and this part of Kerala, my soul cries for these people who were brutally massacred in a situation which you can't even think about. The Mapla Muslims revolt. That was a turning point in history where these Mapla Muslims, under the leadership of Kun Muhammad, they put up such a brave fight against all men and women. That is the beauty of the Mapla Muslims, where as per the topic that we have, the Mahila Mange Azadi, the Mapla Muslim men and women together were such great warriors that the Britishers were fed up fighting them. They wanted to teach them a lesson where they don't revolt anymore. So what did they do? They picked up these men, all leaders, all the front line warriors, 173 of them, put them in an airtight wagon of a train. And this history says Bellary train tragedy started from Tirur. Imagine a bogie, a goods container of the train where the compartment has got absolutely no windows, 173 of them packed inside it, and the train starts from Tirur to go to Bellary, and on the way when it stops in Coimbatore, when the doors are opened, 173 bodies were lying there, all suffocated and dead. All frontline freedom fighters. That is the history of the Mapla Muslims who laid down their lives for you and me to enjoy this freedom, to enjoy this independence, to enjoy this democracy, to enjoy the secularism, to enjoy the fraternity that we all belong to now, that and the big challenge. When people are questioning, especially each other, what have you done? What have you done? What have you done for the nation? We have to put our heads high and tell our forefathers have laid their lives for this great country. And we today, what less can we do? Not fight, not put down anybody else, not see each other as, does he belong to my religion? Does he belong to my culture? Does he speak my language? What is this division that we all have created, which our forefathers buried and came together united and gave this great nation to us? What's the point having this freedom and not enjoying the spirit of freedom? When we are living in suspicion and fear of each other, why are we slandering each other? Why are we calling each other as names?